So you don't know, reach over their dream and we see this. So it say, hide me ID. The man will come park in a sovereign in a this your son at ya. And I do the door in a the red grace and come out and take out the blinds and put it up at the windscreen. Sir, me see you. Me see you, sir. We could have go somewhere. I public this and I brawl in daylight. Remember I work here, no, sir. Try go beard because me see your work logo upon your clothes. And them no care, no. Just it care just a boom and a galang so. Why? 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 Listen, big man I do the things them as a big man. Sure, as long as a big consenting woman at the care are, man, right? Then consent I give and people are enjoy themselves. Big up yourself. But you don't know, so this is read the comments. So let's hop in the comment section. I swear people are saying. Remember, so Jamaicans are very foolish, you know. So we don't know now come with it. You know, big it up right, show. That Dimples chick said, sounds like him a burn calories and a release stress while you are take it up on your head. You need to go get some too. LOL. My girl, go get some and come out to the people and business is where Dimples say. It just say, can bet them both in a relationship with other people. You know, I say go sometimes. You never know, you know. And everybody cheats. So maybe I'm woman that come link him. You understand? She bring lunch, come give him and she just give him the food and I give it to him too. You know what I mean? You wouldn't do that to hey. One with your man, girl. Yeah, but yeah. Hey, big and serious number that work already, you know. And I only power see though. And the people them in the care. 2 times. 2 times. I don't know about other people if they're in a relationship, I'm gonna assume. But the other one we were positive that they were in a relationship. I was in the military. It was a warrant officer and master chief. Senior chief, master chief. Was a senior or it was just a chief. I remember. And they used to go into the parking lot and get it on. People used to mind their business. He was such a cool dude. We minded our business. Nobody asked for nothing. And the other one were civilians that worked on the base. And every lunch, them used to go in at the boy truck. And the truck would a rock. Me say, sir, every day so? You not get none of your yard. But dear. Mm-hmm. They weren't Jamaicans, by the way. None of the people that I just told about were Jamaicans. So she said, Yambed said the two of them in a relationship with other people. Shannon forward and said, me I tell you. Somebody said the two of them are given. 5 years in a bodysuit said people have to be careful in because police lock up people for that under the charge of public indecency. That is true. That is true. That's actually a charge here within the United States. And even in Jamaica, I think. Because you never no clothes and be things. Somebody say, yeah, for real, it's the law. Yes, under the law, they can charge you. Yes. Similar, we say, this will be me and my man. Anywhere, anytime. Bop, 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 see me, ray, girl, do the things them. The girl can't take your man, ray. Give me forward in and say, yes, I don't care who I say. Yes, give me do the things them, flash it for the boy. And end up on Cornhub. Somebody record it and fling it up there. Go on, yeah. Same response and say that much me know. Yeah. Yeah, them say them a run out pan them man and I give it to them boy. Can I get can come take them man? Can I do the things them? K say one thing we do no. Minding on business is not in our top 5 things to do. Let people be free as long as I know how to do them did they. Somebody respond to K and say, Amen. Amen. Let the people them do them thing. Miss Honesty Sash said, bedroom are too normal now. People want to explore a lot more places. Let them have fun in peace. Let F be free. Pride and shame stop weird. Just want to respect the younger kids them. That is all. Yes. Again, for Miss two consenting adults, me not care. Nobody's getting taken advantage of. Me not care. Do the things them. Do the things them. Be respectful to, not in front of kids and so forth. But do the things them. Me dear. Sorry, I said sound careless. It's daytime. You're deaf? But he put up the blind. He put up the windscreen, they can't see him car, but then you can't see the car. I'm assuming when him come out of the car, if he put up the blind pan the car, him logo sure. So him black out the car and real excitement, meetings. Sorry, I say a carelessness though. Carelessness. So Miss Honesty respond back and say, careless like your big one. Careless like your big one. Never know a night time alone people do the things them. Not because you're boring means they should be to move. Oh, from the girl, sorry, respond, cause sorry, brawling phone kind of disgusting. Sorry, respond and say, all can bigger than your gut. My all could have never bigger than your gut. Only place you should be in the day is in the gym. Move around, big back. Yeah, yeah. Somebody respond to the girl with say, anywhere, anytime. I say, shaking my head. Like, no, no. You should be respectful. It's the middle of the day. The car is jerking. Why? Don't do that. Anyways, Miss Honest respond to she and said, not you here acting like a slim and trim. Respond back to Gally when they tell her, say, I beg, I got bigger than her beatings. You get them aware. So she said, not you here acting like a slim and trim. Up you notice I got a big gut full of shit for you to feast on. Babes, just open your mouth, let me empty my shit gut that you seems to have a problem with. Dinner is ready. Hey, one of the one was Miss Honest, go and brawling. She said, brawling not the day like she give her man the things them and I do the things them and no girl and no boy can't tell her no. Be like, what cause you out? Eh? So we respond to she and say, okay, so them busy boom down the place. Do you think they have eyes to see when younger kids come in to stop? Stop effing a public, especially broad daylight. Why in a busy area? If you well want grinding at the day, go find a corner or lonely road. Okay, so them she did say them out as sovereign. Yeah, find a local corner and edge off. Like let us not the meagle at the park. People that walk past and just soon like, come on. You understand? Miss Honest respond to him and say, well, that I can agree on. But people make it look like a crime because they might have fun in the daylight. I don't agree with the public areas because obviously kids would have been in a public area also. But otherwise from that, let it be free. Skin out and go and bad pana boy. Yeah. Shante respond and say, kiss me tea, time and place, man. Time and place. And everyone if you cock up on us go on. And I try old man and can't old man. Move from there. Father Fitz said, fantasies, fantasies, fantasies. Living on the edge of life. Me say, Father Fitz want it so bad. Father Fitz want find a girl who come boom down for him care bust up him tired. Them Father Fitz. You have to go look Miss Honesty. Share the girl for the work. DD Ray Grizzy says, send a pick a number, hold the line. Yeah, you can get some too. If you want it, send that, the boy will give you some too. Just hold it. Remember, say, you know, chat him work now, And I can go down and go, well, I look at one convo with him, I look at one talk. Because the way the care in a boom, obviously, something that I keep. Maybe a mama did a go on bad, maybe I him, we don't know, we don't know. But you did fast enough, so maybe some you want. When last you get shot out and dealt with, you might need to go over there. Nay said the comment section, the smarties said them remember those days. If I want to go on with the things them like this, Ray, jump in the comment section and tell me about the things that we did go on with me. Answers. Tell me about it. Remember, Lily tell me one time how she did it in the park in the middle of the daylight. Mr. Lady, I'm worried up, man. All right. Then be middle of the daylight where people are so walk past. Just a go on so? No, man. No, man. I'm not going to find a local bathroom. Roadrunner say, you sound jealous. Colleen respond and say, enough though. She know, enough the girl enough. Yes, they said, that was my first thought too. And then somebody say, you sound careless. So some people agree and some people don't. Some people say carelessness. Some people say that is the spice and the juice. A pimento you're putting a part of the seasoning. Yeah. Spice it up. Spice is life. Glamorous say, at this look of spontaneity you put you. Ricky Uptown, you would say you have too much time for your hand. Now Ricky today as well. The work in all you manage to see the people in the parking lot. What you do outside? You would upon your break and the man upon him break and him a break off a little piece. Go in the place. Go walk. Alright? And leave the youth alone. Kissy Face says, I remember those days. Yes, Kissy, a good girl, do the things them with the boy them. Ray, Kissy, big up yourself. The people will call you careless once you don't focus you, Kissy. The people will call you careless once you focus you. Somebody will say, tell me about it in details. She said, so one time, Caulfield, man, will want eerie. Because I see him so. See him so, you have to just do the things with the boy. Jabba say, mighty, just wow. In the sun at ya. And I bet the car not even did turn on for little AC blow. Listen, them say sweat, I go sweat anyways. Them just go sweat it out. Quick little brr, brr, sweat it off. Ricky Brown Sugar say, it had to turn on. This can't work without the AC in the heat, man. No do that. They must have wicked to themselves. You never know, because when people want the things, them want the things. And the last comment Anthony said, mind your business. Mind your business. You're too enough. You're too plenty. The man never watch you. That's why the man never care do the things. Then why you watch the man? Listen, when I agree or disagree, when I say when the girl them fling it up anywhere upon a boy, or a lady them say this is carelessness. This is carelessness. I'm somewhere in the middle. In a brawling daylight where the pretty them can see you, yes, carelessness. Don't do that. But broad daylight, when nobody can see you, but yeah, you know why would stop then, Gary? Why not? Who for stop you? Do it. Okay, do it. Do the things you enjoy yourself. Yeah, yeah. What do you do, your man? Left the people, man, alone. No, girl. Left the, left the people, man, alone. Hey, girl. Allow the people, man. And do the things. Anyways, we come to Steph. No 5 minutes, my days comment section are fast, my dear. My read your comment too. Big up yourself, alright? And I'm out.